Well, today, Don from the coast and Kevin from Iowa are coming over, and we're going to head east. We're going to head up to the Columbia Gorge, up to the town of Mosier. They have a trail there that heads up to the Mosier Plateau and goes by a little waterfall. We're going to do that. And then we're going to turn around and head up to the Mosier tunnels off of the old Highway 30 and the old new state bike path and trail. They're magical, so we got to go see them. And that's the plan. So come on along down the trail. Parking in the skate park as the train goes by, and we're going to cross over the bridge, pick up the trailhead, and walk up the hill here in Mosier. A little pioneer cemetery here on the trail. So you're probably looking at this plan going, what the heck, who cares about this? But this is actually Vinca, and just about every pioneer cemetery in Oregon has Vinca in it. And that's because pioneers used it to mark graves back in the 1840s and 50s. So there you go. Okay, here's a big old ponderosa. As I always like to say, always look up. So we hiked about 3 miles and about 600 feet elevation gain. And we're back to the rigs and kind of made a loop out of it. So now I guess we'll go look at Mosier tunnels. So we're at the Mark Hatfield East trailhead, and we're going to take the trail and head up to the Mosier tunnels after we get done eating our lunches. So down the trail. So I just found a woman's wallet and phone and credit cards, all kinds of other good stuff. Name was Linda, up the trail. And so I raced back down the trail and got it back to her. But now I got to find Kevin and Dawn up the trail. So we'll see. Good luck with that, I suppose. And after doing a good deed, I finally did catch up with Dawn and Kevin. So let's look out. All right, here we are. We're going to go into the Mosier tunnels, one of the incredible things about Oregon. So this is one of the viewing portals, and as you can see, it's a little windy here, but very cool. So we've walked the length of the Mosier tunnels from east to west, and we're going to turn it around and walk them west to east and head back to Kevin's pickup. So, as they say, down the trail. So we're just about back to Kevin's pickup, and we did a little over 2.5 miles and over 400 feet elevation gain. Hope you enjoyed the two trails here in Mosier. They're awesome, and like and subscribe if you get the chance, and down the trail.